Hi guys, this is Ankit Garwal from Steadfast Spoken English Training Institute, and today I'm here to teach you some vocabulary based on color. Like as we know about that, बहुत सारे colors होते हैं जैसे red, blue, pink, green, yellow. So उसी को मिला के कुछ vocabularies बनती है. So वो मैं आपको आज बताने वाला हूँ one by one. So let's begin start. So first is write with embarrassment means होता है शर्मिंदगी महसूस करना. Like suppose take example like yesterday we were playing match and suddenly we got lost for that match, but after that we were feeling right with embarrassment means guys yesterday हम मैच खेल रहे थे सडनली हम वो मैच हार गए तो हमें बहुत शर्मिंदगी महसूस हुई. That is used for rise with embarrassment. And the guys next is I'm in the pink health means guys सेहतमंद होना. It means that suppose you were suffering a fever कुछ दिन पहले आपको बुखार था, right? But now you are in a pink, you are perfect, your health is perfect, and you are and just you are saying that your friend is asked for you how is your health, so you can say I'm in the pink health. So that is used for that vocab. And the next one is white with rash means आग बबूला होना means that बहुत गुस्सा आ जाना आपको. Suppose someone person hurt your ego and that you get right with rash. In that lecture we can use for that thing. And then second is feeling blue means उदास होना like upset होना. Suppose take example I was fighting to get 90% in my 12th class, but I could not get 90%. So my friend asked to me, "How are you?" So I said to him, "I'm little bit feeling blue." It means that मैं थोड़ा बहुत उदास हूँ. That is used for that vocab. And the next is red card means that you are giving a last warning for someone. Suppose you are busy for in your work and someone is disturbing you again and again. कोई आपको बार बार परेशान कर रहा है. So what you can say, I'm giving you a red card. It means you are giving a last warning for someone. So that is used for that vocab. Let's take a next. So next is golden boy. Golden boy means guys होता है सफल व्यक्ति. सफल व्यक्ति means that in India में बहुत सारे सफल व्यक्ति है. Like if we talk about some Bollywood, so Amitabh Bachchan, and if we talk about some political, so our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a golden boy. So that we can use for that vocab. Like and we talk about next. So next is the I'm the bronze study means ख्यालों में खो जाना. Like take example like whenever I मैं जब भी लग्जरी कारों को देखता हूँ तो मैं ख्यालों में खो जाता हूँ. So that we can make a English sentence. Whenever I see the luxury car, so I am in the bronze study for the luxury car. So I hope you have understood for all the vocab. And if you like for my video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and give me a like and share this video. So thank you.
Hello everyone. So it was the presentation by Ankit Gadwal. He is our student of Nandanagar branch from Smart Personal Base. आज इनका टीचिंग सेशन है ये देखने के लिए कि इनका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कन्विंसिंग स्किल कितना अच्छा है. तो आई वांट यू टू गिव फीडबैक्स टू अंकित कि इन्होंने कैसे पढ़ा, इनकी टीचिंग स्किल कितनी अच्छी है, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एंड ऑल. तो आप फीडबैक्स दीजिए और इस लेक्चर को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स और सर्कल में शेयर कीजिए. अभी के लिए इतना ही. अभी जाइएगा नहीं, अभी और भी टीचिंग प्रेजेंटेशन बाकी हैं. तो अभी के लिए इतना ही. बाय, टेक केयर.